In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import all contacts in Bitrix24. Now, this is actually super simple. All you have to do is go to the CRM over here on the left, and then you want to go to Customers up top and click on Contacts. Inside Contacts, of course, this is where you can see your list of contacts. And first, if you want to export it, that's super simple. I do have some sample data in here, so don't worry. I'm not actually leaking anyone's info. These are just some demo contacts. And then to actually export, go to the top right, click on the settings cogwheel, and from here you can select export to either Excel, CSV, or Outlook. So I'm going to do CSV, and you want to of course select if you want to export the details and all contact fields as well, and then click on run. There we go, it's going to finish it, all of them like this, and then click on download export file, and that's all you have to do. You're going to get the file, and you've successfully exported all your contacts. But if you want to import them, that's also super simple. You just want to go to the settings cogwheel, and then you want to click on import, and then you can select either of these. You have the options of vCard, Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail, and you can of course go and import all of these from CSV from those platforms. Or if you have like a single CSV, of course, which is not from there, but of course it's still a CSV with your contacts, you could go and click on import custom CSV data, and you can just go and upload your file. So over here, I'm just going to pick this one, which is a sample file. And then from here, you can then go and select your encoding and your field delimiter. For me, it's a comma. And you can then go and select format, stuff like that. On the next step, you're going to have to use field mapping. So here, you can select contact types, source, descriptions, etc. And here you have to match things. So essentially, these are things displaying in here. We have ID, we have salutation, first name, last name, middle name, etc. And then, of course, inside your CSV, it may be different. And if it's a different thing, so if it says first name here, and in my CSV, there it says first name as well, it's going to actually recognize it automatically. But if it says just like, for example, name, then it will not recognize it. You're going to have to link this. So I'm going to go over here and, for example, click on select, and these are all the things I can assign. So for example, I'm going to look for a phone over here. There we go. As you can see, mobile, I'm going to click on that and assign a phone to it. Then I'm going to go down here. I do know I do have the work email as well. There we go. That's the email. And I can go on and, of course, do all the other things as well. So there was country and stuff like that. I could just go and add those things as well. In my case, I'm just going to leave it like it is. Maybe I could add things like company, but that's going to be it for now, okay? Of course, you don't have to do all of these, but you can if you wanna. And then click on the next button. And from here, you want to select how duplicates are treated. So I'm just going to go skip, don't import, but of course you could go allow, replace, etc. Okay. Now this file has been imported already here in the back, just so I could show you how to actually export. That's why it's going to skip all of them. But if you don't do the skip over here, but do allow, it's just going to put all of them in here. So I'm actually going to go and allow these and click on next. And there we go. Items imported, all of them that I wanted to import. So that's how easy it is to import all contacts in Bitrix24. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.